In practicals, in the term one, there is marks is 15 marks, and the practicals would be conducted under the supervision of an internal examiner and the external examiner, and there'll also be an observer there. And in case if there is a pandemic continues, and then there will be an exam for the 15 marks MCQ based on practicals. But if it is not, then there will be a practical exam will be conducted in the in the school. What you will be learning in that is a volumetric analysis, salt analysis, that is for the mark 4 each, and then content based experiment, and the class record and viva, that is an internal examiner, 5 marks it is. Total altogether is 15 marks. In the volumetric analysis, we're going to learn about the determination of concentration, that's the molarity of KMnO4 solution by titrating it against a standard solution of oxalic acid, ferrous ammonium sulfate. Students will be required to prepare a standard solution by weighing themselves. So you need to prepare a solution also. Now coming to the salt analysis, in salt analysis again it carries 4 marks for you. You need to determine one cation and one anion in a given salt, and the cation could be lead, copper, arsenic, aluminium, iron, manganese, nickel, cobalt, calcium, strontium, barium, magnesium or ammonium. And in case of anion, you could be having a carbonate, sulfide, nitride, sulfide, sulfate, nitrate, chloride, bromide, iodide, phosphate, and oxalate, and also acetate. So note that you will not be getting an insoluble salt which is excluded from the portion. And coming to the third part of it is the content based experiment. In the content based experiments, that's for the 2 marks. And what are the experiments they have given us? Chromatography. In the chromatography, you have the separation of pigments from extracts of leaves and flowers by paper chromatography, and determination of RF value. And in that, under the chromatography, you have another one. The second one is separation of constituents present in an inorganic mixture containing 2 cations only. The constituents having large difference in RF value will be provided, values to be provided for you. And coming to the second one, in that you need to learn about the characteristics of carbohydrates, fats and proteins in pure samples and their detections in the given foodstuffs. So that is the second one round. That completes our practical chemistry, that is for the 15 marks.